Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create sub-bookmarks on your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and this left sidebar you will find this bookmark option. Click here and see this all of this bookmark, and I will make this page 1 and page 2 sub-bookmark under this section 1. It will make primary bookmark, and this one create secondary bookmark. Click on this page 1 bookmark and select this option. Click here and here you will find this label down. Select and this sub bookmark created. Also select this bookmark and save this option and select label down and see this sub bookmark now created. Then and same I will make this text section 2 under this 3 bookmarks sub bookmark. Click right button, also select label down, select label down, this one also label down. Also again you can make it sub bookmark under sub bookmark, label down, and see this. In this way you can make sub bookmark under sub bookmarks. See this. Now hide all of this and see this. Now sub bookmark now created. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.